InstaFilter is new to me, but of course I just found out that it came out 5 years ago. But it's amazing. Now it takes about 40 turns to get it started. Once it's started, there's no problem. So this is what I'm doing right now. I'm trying to get it started. It has a cute sponge on top, which is antibacterial. You do not have to apply the makeup with the sponge. You can just put it on your face or put it on a brush or your own beauty sponge. And here I am, twisting, twisting, twisting. Does take a while. There it is. There it is.
Whoops. Ooh.
So I'm just going to pat it on my face from the container. And this color is medium beige. I think this is the best color for me. Now I'll take my foundation brush and just spread it all over with the brush. I'm putting some under my eyes as concealer. I often do that. Now I'm taking my e.l.f. Perfect HD powder and just dabbing it on a few places. It's my absolute magic powder. Now I'm just going to put on some bronzer. So a little bit of blush, and it happens to be a very old blush. It's a Chanel one. It's called Coral Fire, and I just love it. When the girl showed me this blush to put on when I was in the store, I thought she was crazy. But it turns out Coral is a beautiful blush. And now I am adding some more blush. Not sure of the name. I will write it on the screen. I'm putting a little concealer on my nose to add definition, and always on the side. If you want your nose to look slimmer, you put it on the sides. You would think you would put bronzer, but no. And I'm using this very old Garnier concealer. It's a very old product video. And I'm just blending with the sponge. And I am trying to use up old products instead of always buying. So that's my tip for the day also. Try to use what you have. Okay, so blendy blend, 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 blend. Sponge is great for that. Now I'm going to add a dab of highlight, and this L'Oreal Infallible highlighter stick is unbelievable. It really is a good one. It's easy to use, it blends in easy, smoothly, and you can put it under your brows, on your nose, top of your cheeks. It's really a good one. Blendy blend, blend again. Blend highlighter. And now for another contour stick, because I showed you the Maybelline Blur Stick. This is by Physicians Formula. It is fabulous. It's creamy, it's smooth, it blends evenly. Oops, I made it a little too low. So, I'm going to wipe that with a sponge and make my contour a little higher. Blendy blend, blend, blend. Blend the contour. spray a little root spray so my hair blends better. And then, okay, I'm going to wipe it with some paper towels, bring down some fringes, and just checking the foundation. I think it looks amazing.
I like this, I think.
I think it's like a filter on my face. Just putting a little bit more on my forehead. It's really too much, but for the video, it's good. Just blending it in. And this brush is amazing. I think this is the Fenty brush. Yeah, this is like a filter.
Wow.
Totally. Thumbs up.
I like it. Insta-Filter. Insta-Filter medium beige foundation. Shake well. I didn't shake it. Yeah. Wow. Wow.
Sand beige. This is true beige. Very dark and absolutely very pink. True beige, very dark and just, I don't even know what color this is. Pink, dark pink.
See this? Look. Look how it tames that whole side. Wow. Watch this. There it goes. You want that slicked look?
So, might I say that I am blown away by this foundation. I think it is so great that I actually have made 3 more videos putting this on to show you. So they will be coming up soon. So I hope you enjoyed. I hope you try it. I have links down below where you can get it. And I hope you subscribed if you smiled. And I'll see you in my next video. Love you.